Birds of the same feathers flock together. Those with similar interests, goals, and visions tend to associate themselves with each other. This is the relationship between Imboni Dr. Uzuleza Khatebe, the founder of the Revelation Spiritual Home, and Dr. Hakia Moon, affectionately known as Mother Moon, the co-founder of the United Peace Federation, UPF. Imboni and Mother Moon share the same vision of building and promoting world peace and unity, as well as grooming the youth to become good future leaders. In the previous week, the youth wing of UPF, International Association of Youth and Student for Peace, IAYSP, in partnership with Izinkanyezi Zase Africa, held an African Youth Assembly 2021 that was held over 3 consecutive days. The assembly saw in attendance Imboni Dr. Uzuleza Khatebe, the founder of the Revelation Spiritual Home, Ms. Mika Amantlaman, President of IAYSP, Mr. Koji Matsuru, President of IAYSP International, amongst many other prominent guests. Youth from other African countries attended this event virtually. In South Africa, Izinkanyezi attended the assembly in their respective branches, while others attended online to keep on with the COVID-19 regulations. African youth engagement for prosperity and planetary health was the agenda of this assembly, bringing all the African youth together to share best practices and discuss on topics of peace and prosperity in the African continent. This assembly was suited for no better day than the 12th of August, which marks the UN International Youth Day. On the first day, the youth discussed the best practices and initiatives held over the years that best contributed and made an impact to the community development and youth empowerment. On day 2, the youth discussed the peace building, conflicts resolving in Africa, global climate change, and food crisis. On the last day, it was the presentation of the African Youth Festival, an event to celebrate Africa Youth Assembly 2021, and the participation of the youth to take actions in building a better future today. Representing the TRSH Youth Group was Ngobi Chirwa, Onwabile Ndlovu, Snanziwe Ndlovu, and Kanyisile Sibisi as speakers and moderators. To end the event on a high note, Imboni Dr. Uzuleza Khatebe said, "I've always believed and still maintain that the youth does not mean immortality, but the youth means the power to make choices that will change the scope of injustice and irregularities in the nation. Furthermore, youth does not mean you know everything, but the role of elders and indigenous spiritual guides is still vital. What a privilege and honor it is to be Ulusha under such wise and selfless leaders."